Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to view passwords stored in Google account on Infinix Hot 4DI device. Well, knowing how to view passwords stored in your Google account can be helpful for many reasons. It allows you to easily access passwords for various websites and apps without having to remember them individually. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, open Settings app on your device. Well, so here scroll down please and then tap on Google option. Okay, once you arrive to this page and then you can tap on Password Manager option. And here all of the passwords stored in your Google account will be shown. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to view passwords stored in Google account on Infinix Hot 4DI device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.